20,000-pound Koike Aronson Headstock Tailstock Welding Positioner, comprised of a Koike Aronson HTS20VF and a TS10.
I can turn this one for you.
Okay.
This is just the idler here now, so. Yeah.
The tailstock idler?
Just to show bearings are in pretty good shape. Not too bad. Pretty free, so this one's a nice shape.
Okay, and our headstock?
Yeah. You want to walk around, show pics, or you
Yeah.
just want to, okay. Okay, yeah, we got the box right here. I'm tempting on the floor here, just so you know. 480 coming into the main disconnect. Yeah, pretty much one frequency drive, square D frequency drive. It's currently up and running. I got power onto it right now. Just waiting for it to run off the push button station.
Okay.
And that's on the other side here if you want to come around or go this way. It's up here. And kind of hang out over here in the middle. And what we've got here is a pot, of course, and one pot, one rapid traverse, and rotation on and off. So E-stop's off, we'll go forward. We're about midstream on the pot here. There's about a good 10-turn pot, I think. So just hit start. You'll hear the brake come off, I think, and then the drive kick in. So I can dial this up slowly. You can hear it maybe. Might be easier just to hit rapid traverse. So, let's see if I can dial it down now. Yeah, that works pretty good. Back up again, then we'll go reverse. And stop. Brake, reverse, same speed, and go. And rapid again, maybe. Back to feed. Let's move it forward. And we'll stop it right about there.